Hey everybody, it's Melissa. Welcome to the channel. It's unboxing time. I just got this. Just picked it up at the post office and I'm going to hurry up and make a video because I have got to get into it. And if I had waited, I would have already set it up and you guys wouldn't have seen the original. But I held on. I did. I controlled myself, and that's something I don't do a lot of. And here she is. This is the Aurora Estelle, the Chloe planner in the Croco. It's pink. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into this, shall we? All right, so where is my little boxy cutter thingy? Don't have to use my nails, but if I have to, I will rip into this bad boy with my nails. Whatever needs to happen to get her open. Oh, come on, little boxy cutter thing. Where are you? Oh, here's some little scissors. I'll use the little scissors. It'd be fun if you guys actually saw me impale myself on camera. I still upload it, bleeding and all. I'd still do it. I don't care. Oh, I'm left-handed. I'm so not coordinated. I need to get into you. I need to. It shipped in just this box alone. That I was kind of surprised about, because usually when they ship, you know, it's a box within a box. So maybe I'll do it this way. Oh, look at there. So much easier. It's your girl. It's your girl. She has to try the hard way first. Believe me, that's pretty much the way I've been my whole life. Learned quite a few good lessons, but apparently not enough. All right, are we ready? Are we ready, everybody? Are we ready? Oh my gosh. So, she's pink all inside. Look at there. Has a little welcome card. Dear Organized Dreamer. That's me. That's me. You have just invested in a piece originally and authentically designed by Aurora Estelle. We strive to be a pioneer of alternative materials and unwilling to compromise when it comes to sustainable design. And that's so important, because let's face it, this isn't real leather. This is their new, line of vegan planners. I love my leather. Nothing is like leather. VDS has the best leather, and leather lasts forever. Okay. And our mission to infuse intention and absolute function into every detail of our eco-innovative creations. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Your support means the world to us. And then it has care tips and all that fun stuff. See this whole pink? And look at the bag. Look at the bag. Normally I just take the bags and I throw the bags away, because this one it feels like microfiber. And it's pink, so I'll just have to keep this. Da, 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 da. And even pink on the inside. The box is staying too. I always keep the boxes because sometimes you end up selling things, reselling them. You just never know. Okay. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Look at that color. Let me look at the camera and see if it's picking up really nicely. It's picking up pretty much true to color. It's pink, but it's got a little hue of oh, I'm shaking. A little hue of lavender maybe in it, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And she does feel good. She's really soft. And the inside, okay. Oh, check this out. Talk about taking care of the rings. This is actually in the rings and you pull it off. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's kind of cool. It's cool beans. That's what keep that to keep its shape. And then the inside is this pale, and it feels like a smooth leather. Smoother. It's got texture to it, but it's not what you would call pebbled. And then the, absolute best part about it is it has the Krause rings, and they're gold. They're gold Krause rings. And she still has the same kind of tab where you can actually take this out. You see, you can pull it out, and it has 3 other ones. So as you fill it up, you can, make it bigger or smaller. And just like with Vanderspec's Touch Me line, she included 2 pin loops. So you can do a pin and have your mild liner there. That's what I like to do. I like to have my mild liner as well as a pin. And then so we'll take out that. And we'll take out this. This is going to be my new health planner. Oh, it feels really good, guys. This is really good quality pleather. But it does feel really good. That's the thing, the difference. A lot of people have, you know, you got lots of vegan simulations out there, and some of them are okay, but usually to the touch, you know immediately it's not real leather. This feels every bit. Now, how it patinas and wears over time, that'd be the big thing. But here's my Giglio ostrich, and it, look at there, I mean, just from the way it bends and everything, it feels every bit as good as my Giglio, which of course costs a lot more money. So, but yeah, that's my Giglio. She is patinaing really nice, by the way, isn't she? Beautiful. But this, like I said, this feels really, really nice. I've never tried Moterm's actual Croco leather. I only have 2 of their planners, and both of theirs are pebbled leather. But this is nice. This is beautiful. This, and I was telling everybody, this is almost the exact setup and color and everything that I was, you know, that I want to order the Vanderspec custom design, which now I probably will still do somewhere down the line, but finally Vanderspec has an actual personal wide in their Touch Me line, out of stock of course, but they have it. So as soon as they get it back in stock, I'm ordering that, because I love both the Vanderspecs I have. I have an A6 and then a personal size, and both of them are just the Touch Me lines, and they're gorgeous, and they're soft, and they're just scrumptious. This is, if I had ordered a custom one, this would have been very, very close to what I would have ordered. Of course, you don't have your big back pockets, but sometimes I use them. Most of the times I don't. I like the secretarial pockets. This has the, you know, pretty much all the pockets. And look what color. Oh my gosh, that's lavender. Oh, jeez. I am in love. Okay. There she is. I just wanted to unbox it for you guys and show you. I'm so excited about this. Getting it. I cannot wait to get my health planner stuff in here. And when I do that, I'll do a setup for you guys. And trust me, that'll be soon, because I'll probably do that right this minute. Yes. All right, guys. Love you so much. Thank you for sharing my Christmas joy. Christmas all year long when you get stuff like this. Oh, by the way, price-wise, she's $102. You can get for $92 if you get the, what they call lavender mist, I think it is. But it's more of a gray on the outside. And it has the silver cross rings. But it's $10 cheaper. Exact same thing. So, what I do, I've got my Amazon, not Amazon, excuse me, my PayPal set up where I can do like 4 payments rather than pay the whole thing up front. That's how I do it. I just pay them all slowly. That's what I'm doing with this girl. And I think she was with the, of course they have Sizzle too that they use, that does the same thing, 4 payments, and it's like $25 and something every 2 weeks. So that's what I did. All right, guys, have a great day. I love you so much.